Hey, it's Robin Fishing 11. We're having my friend's gonna tape me shooting a bottle.
Yeah, I shot 2 paint cans and I shot a black one.
Get over here.
Hey, hold on. Daniel, don't shoot. And I shot this blue can and it freaking exploded. Look at that. And I shot this black one and it came out like a fountain. And Daniel's gonna try to aim for one of those. We found them. This should be about all the way full. And it should work. Alright, here he goes. Alright.
It didn't explode.
Hit it again.
He missed.
No, he hit it.
Wait. He hit it?
Yeah, he hit it.
He hit it, but it bounced off. Surprised it didn't hit me. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That's a shot by Daniel.
Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.